Hello, techies. Alright, this is Comtel Lab 8.2.6 and we're going to manage IaaS virtual machines in Azure that run Windows Server. Alright, so these are the details of this particular task here. So you are the network administrator for your company. You have decided to begin the configuration of Azure to help manage your network. As part of this setup, you need to create a virtual server in Azure. In this lab, your task is to create an Azure virtual machine using the following information. Virtual machine type is going to be Azure virtual machine, and project details is going to be subscription. Subscription name is going to be company production, and instance details is provided also. Administration account is provided also, which is username cop admin, and password is going to be cop and p password. Okay, so the password is provided also, and generation is going to be gen 2, and it's going to be 16 gig memory. And okay, so that is it. So we'll just go ahead and start up right away. Let's go ahead and start up right away. um let's see, administrator account is provided here also. Okay, administrator account. um, Administrator account is provided, and let's see, VM box is selected. Use the default network parameters. Alright, to create a new virtual machine in Azure. Okay, so we're going to maximize the Chrome window for better viewing. Under Azure services, select the virtual machine and then select create, then Azure virtual machine. Okay, I think we have enough details to be able to begin work on this lab. So we click on virtual machines here and we click on create. We're going to open Azure and we're going to select Copnet Cloud, and let's go here. This is going to be virtual Copnet Cloud, and scroll down. This is Cloud 1, and Copnet 1. This is US2. Availability. So we're going according to the details provided for us. So Copnet Cloud here, and for the security, nope, DVD4S. Okay, the username is provided. We'll just copy this and paste. So for the username, we'll copy this and paste this right in here, and for the password, we're going to copy this also and paste this right in here, and confirm password by pasting it here again, and select inbound port. Next, select this, scroll down, encryption type, nope, nope. So let's see, are we missing anything? Is there anything we're still missing here? Let's see. Make sure that the delete with VM box is selected. Okay, we selected that. So let's review and create this. Mm, scroll down. Let's see. Okay, so go ahead and create. Let's just go to resource, connect. It's gonna be no, for connect. This is gonna be XSH. Connect via SSH with client. Okay, so for this, no, this is not. This is RDP. Do we download RDP file? Okay, here is it here. Duly downloaded. Go to files. Nope, 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 nope. On the download, RDP. Yeah, here is it. So go ahead and open this. Oh, this picture is not selected, so we don't really need this here. Okay, so go ahead and scroll up and see how we do. And that is it, folks. Everything is 100%. Remember, if you find this video helpful, smash that like button. Share this video to other students so other students can benefit also. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section. I will do well to reply you. And thank you for watching this video. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. And I'm going to see you in my next video. So until then, peace.